Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of More Content Chefs. Today we're going to be cooking a delicious Philly cheesesteak bowl. Let's go ahead and get started. Melissa looks hungry. I am too. Alright, so first thing we do is we cut up our shallots, our red bell pepper, and our mushrooms. I chose white mushrooms today. Get those chopped up prior, and go ahead and let those cook until translucent. Once they're translucent, go ahead and take those out of the pan. Smells delicious. Don't brown them yet though, just translucent. Cut up about a pound or so of skirt steak, depends on how much you're cooking for. Go ahead and throw that into the pan and let that sear. Be sure your pan is hot with oil in it before you put it into the pan, otherwise it doesn't cook right. Alright, as you can see, it's cooking along. See how it's still a little pink in the middle? Don't be afraid of that. That means that the juices are being retained. And we're not going to want to cook it for much longer than that. It takes about 20 minutes or so. And then we go ahead and add back in the peppers, and now they will begin to brown in the pan. This prevents the peppers and the onions from burning. Also add in the mushrooms at this point. Alright, now you can see it's starting to look really good, like a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. You see how that nice dripping's coming out. Those are all going to get reincorporated, so just go ahead and mix that back in there. Don't lose any of those juices. Very tasty. Alright, now put your provolone cheese on top. That's generally what's in a Philly cheesesteak is provolone cheese, even though they use other cheeses. And you can use whatever cheese you like, but this is the one we're going with today. Into the oven, let it broil for about 10 minutes. Check it. You might need to do it for 15 though. Alright, here we go. This is the final product. Ladies, gentlemen, and otherwise, they, them. As you can see, this is a delicious feast. It is perfect for 2 to 3 people. I cooked it for a family of 3, so you have plenty here. Go ahead and serve that into the bowl. You can see a serving size here that I took out, portioned out for you, especially if you're hungry. Alright, this is the final product. Thank you for joining us on More Content Chefs. You can check us out on YouTube and subscribe to us at More Content Please MCP. Be sure to like. This is More Content Please, saying goodbye for now. Bye-bye. See you next time. Look, it's waving. Bye.